press. The members of the team can take their seats here. And then candidate Frank Kabinga Bulira can then talk to us. Sir, you are welcome to address the nation. We have 20 minutes here, 10 minutes of your address and 10 minutes to take some questions. Please, can we fix the microphone for the candidate? My protocol team, please help me with the fixing the microphone for the candidate. Thank you very much. The rest of the team members, you can take your seats here, please. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm so delighted to be here this evening, and I'm so thankful to everyone who is here. Really, this is the day that the Lord has made.
Amen.
I'm the last candidate, but I'm sure by the beginning of 2026, I'll be the President of the Republic of Uganda. My name is Salongo Bulira Frank Kabinga. And when I was coming, you saw a heavy downpour. It had a message that Uganda is changing soon. In the next few months, we're going to have another president in Uganda. I'm the flag bearer for the Revolutionary People's Party, RPP, and the leader of Uganda Federal Democratic Organization, which was founded by the late Dr. Aggrey Kiyingi, who died recently in Australia. I was the personal assistant to Dr. Aggrey Kiyingi. Through the years, he went through suffering from the time he left Uganda, when he went to exile in Australia, when he was charged of murder cases, when he was charged of terrorism, working with ADF, etc. When he died, our executive sat and resolved to make me the leader of the Uganda Federal Democratic Organization. I won't say a lot because we have no time for talking. The only time we have is for action and to do things that are supposed to be done to change our country, Uganda. As the Revolutionary People's Party, we are standing on federalism. The biggest problem of our country is the system of governance. Even if Mr. Museveni goes tomorrow and we have another president remaining with the current decentralization system, we shall not have any change at all. When we look at countries like United Arab Emirates, Sharjah is competing with Dubai. Dubai is competing with Abu Dhabi. We want the 16 federal states making up Uganda to compete amongst themselves. We want the Kabalega International Airport in Bunyoro. We want to see the people of Toro also enjoying and benefiting from the tourism in Toro, tourism city. We want the people of Kapchora to enjoy the money coming from the Bogoya. You know, Kapchora has the best Bogoya in this world. Even when you are buying Bogoya in Turkey, they tell you this is coming from Uganda and it's coming from Kapchora. But government is not doing anything to see how to help the Sabines to promote the Bogoya they are growing. Even in Emirates, I found Bogoya being served from Kapchora. We have Jessa milk. It is served in Emirates. Ankole would be the #1 beneficial of the milk and all the products coming from the cows. But everything is being centered in Kampala. It's very unfortunate that we are suffering because of the political system. We want Mr. Museveni to go, but we also want to change the system of governance in this country. And we are going to do it by hook or crook. You are all going to be surprised who will be the next president of Uganda. He won't be any one of the people you've been familiar with. It is the reason as to why Dr. Kiyingi was in exile. He was not in Uganda, but he was the most feared person when he was not even in Uganda. And Mr. Museveni was not fearing the opposition politicians in Uganda. I was doing everything with him. I was his personal assistant. We have all it means and takes to change this country. Within just a month. We don't even need the 3 months. Within just a month. We are law-abiding citizens, and we are going to traverse the whole country, mobilize Ugandans to vote for the symbol of the lion. Our symbol is a lion. Empologome etalia muddo. Thank you. Thank you. I will stop there because time is going, and we have an event where we are going to unveil our campaign and the Federal Agenda 2026. Thank you so much for God and my country.
So thank you very much. Candidate, if you don't mind, there are 2 questions that are coming in from the members of the press. Thank you.
Most welcome.
Salonga manyanze Isa Kigongo, nkola ne Channel 44. Munansi yandiyagadde okumanya bukodyo kiwe wakozesezza okusobola olaba nga wafunye emikono egyo nga n'omuntu anoonyezebwa talabibwa kumpimpi.
Nga Revolutionary People's Party njakozesa ekigambo nti ffe tulinga Mwami Museveni watera okweyita Ssaabayeekera. Ffe enkola eyaffe ya njawulo era ebintu byaffe mujja biraba byanjawuloko ku bye mumanyidde okulaba ennaku zino. Tubadde tutalaaga eggwanga lino okumala emyaka ng'ena emabega. Tutambudde eggwanga lino nju ku nju. Tulina networks. Lwakwaffe tetuzannya amatatu gaffe nga tugalaga abalabe. Amatatu gaffe agasinga gaba ku kifuba. Bannayuganda tulina network boda ku boda. Twakuŋŋaanya emikono nga twetaagisibwa emikono 98 mu districts 98. Twakuŋŋaanya emikono mu district 113. Ne tugireeta weewaawo twalina okusoomoozebwa nti baatuuka ne batugamba nti emikono ate tegituukiridde muddeeyo mu district 42. Network yaffe neddayo tetwajeema kuba tuli bagoberezi b'amateeka n'ebiragiro. Ne tuddayo ne tukuŋŋaanya emikono ne baddamu ne batugamba okwosa jjo nti ate kati wabulayo muddeeyo district 15. Twabadde tugenda bivaamu nga tubikooye ne tugamba kirabika Mwami Museveni tayagala ggwanga likyuke mu mateeka likyuke na kalulu tumuleke yeevuganye. Naye ne batubuulirira ne tusindika networks zaffe ne ba members baffe abali mu districts ez'enjawulo ne bakola butaweera ne batambula nju ku nju ne baddamu ne bakuŋŋaanya emikono era ne tugiwaayo mu Electoral Commission. Naye era nabagambye egyo gye nkomako siddamu. Egyo we bagigaana nga tubalekera akalulu kaabwe ebisigadde Katonda anaalamula. Weewaawo twafuna okusoomoozebwa okutagambika mu kukuŋŋaanya emikono naddala mu districts eziri mu Busoga mu Eastern Uganda Busoga eruuka ne batugamba Minister wa Presidency takkiriza muntu yenna aludda luvuganya kukuŋŋaanya mikono. Waliwo munnange ono baamusiiba ebuyende yimirirako bakulabe oyo baamusiba ebuyende ne bamuggyako emikono gyange 15 nti awandiika bayeekera nti Minister oba ye Babalanda mbu tebakkiriza atali wa gavumenti kuŋŋaanya mikono. Naye ng'eggwanga lyonna likimanyi tuli mu election season. Ne ngamba musirikale kyono atamanyi mateeka na biragiro. Era bampa ennamba ya DPC ne njogera naye ne mugamba tujja kudiiringa naawe ng'omuntu. Tujja kutwala mateeka ng'omuntu woba osazeewo okumenya amateeka g'eggwanga. So tufunye okusoomozebwa kwa maanyi naye Mukama wa maanyi amazima tegeekweka era ensonga lwaki ffe tusembyeyo okutongozebwa ekikakasa nti ffe tugenda okuwangula obukulembeze bw'eggwanga lino Uganda.
William Ruanga from Beg Media / Beg TV. I think Your Excellency to be Mr. Bulira Frank. We are known to each other for a long time. I'm asking you, you have proposed a federal arrangement for Uganda. Which federal model are you going to use when you become president? Because there are so many federal models which can be applicable. And secondly, you are a teacher. I know you as a teacher. You are a former teacher. What is your position on education? Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, my old friend, Mr. Rwanga William. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful to see you again. I think we shall expound more of what you're asking about in next week when we are launching the federal agenda. I don't want to unveil what is inside. We are unveiling the federal agenda 2026 and honoring the legacy of Dr. Aggrey Kiyingi. The Frank Bulira you are seeing here, when you look at me, see Dr. Kiyingi. When you look at me, look at Nkwanga of Uganda Federal Movement. Look at Andrew Takome Kayira in me. So, we are going to expound more about that, the model, the federal model, and about our entire agenda for a new Uganda next week, and we are going to keep you posted. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. My name is Grace Seginya from SOT Media. When you talk about Dr. Aggrey Kiyingi, some of us who used to know the late, he was a cardiologist, and he overemphasized the health sector. In your manifesto, I've not heard you talking about anything to do with health. Are you diverting from some of your dreams from your predecessor? Thank you.
Thank you so much. I thought here I was just giving a brief about myself, but we are having a program where we are going to unveil our entire manifesto and program. I only talked about federalism as a system of government because it entails everything. It is the solution to all the problems, health, infrastructure, etc. It entails everything. But Dr. Aggrey Kiyingi, I don't want to go far about that. You know very much that he wanted to build a hearts hospital here, and the government refused him. Then he established it in South Africa. You very much know that he initiated the Health International, which introduced IT here, which distributed computers to schools, Nabegareka Foundation. You remember that time, CBS, FM, Radio Simba, coming on the internet, he was Dr. Aggrey Kiyingi. Right now, we've been given 10 acres of land in Bunyoro, and we are going to construct the Aggrey Kiyingi Memorial Building. On that Aggrey Kiyingi Memorial Building, we decided to put it in Bunyoro, much as Dr. Kiyingi was a Muganda, because we are believing in a Uganda for everyone. There is one of our members in Bunyoro who donated those 10 acres. And that Aggrey Kiyingi Memorial Building is going to have a nursing home, a youth rehabilitation center, and a hearts training institute.
Thank you, candidate Frank, for speaking to us. Members of the press, that is candidate Frank, and thank you very much, and your team. We wish you the best during the campaigns. And protocol, can you please usher the candidate and to his security so that he exits and goes on to the next program. Now, members of the press, we are going to get closing remarks from the chairperson in the main auditorium, and I request that we go in so that we hear the closing statement on the nomination exercise. Thereafter, there will be some refreshments in our tent, and we invite you to take a cup of tea before we depart. Thank you once again, Revolutionary People's Party. We wish you the best.